Short read. Frozen alive. Many animals in North America live in cold regions with harsh winters. There's no universal way to survive the cold. Some animals have warm fur. Others burrow into the ground to hibernate. However, nature gave the wood frog a different and stranger survival plan. It is a survival strategy that biologist Sonia Ola describes as straight out of a science fiction movie. Ola has studied wood frogs for 5 years. She says in many ways these frogs are like other species or kinds of frogs. In spring, they start their lifespan as eggs. The eggs soon hatch into tadpoles. The tadpoles live in water and breathe through gills like fish. The tadpole's growth is speedy. They soon grow 4 legs and their tails disappear. They also develop lungs so they can breathe on land. At this point, they've become adult frogs. Then comes winter, and that's when things get strange. Freezing is deadly to most animals, Ola says. But for the wood frog, freezing is a good thing. First, the wood frog burrows under dead leaves, Ola explains. However, this doesn't protect it from the cold. Something interesting happens in the frog's cells. 3. The tadpole forms legs and loses its tail. It is now an adult frog. 4. When cold temperatures come, the frog burrows under leaves. Cells are the building blocks that make up all living things. According to Ola, water drains from the frog's cells. It is replaced with a sugary liquid that doesn't freeze and protects the cells from the cold. Then, the space between the cells freezes and the frog's heart stops beating. The frog seems to be frozen solid. The frog can stay frozen for weeks or months. When the temperature warms, the process reverses. Sugar moves out of the frog's cells and water moves back in. After a while, the frog's heart starts to beat again. If the temperature changes often, the wood frog can freeze and thaw many times. Ola says people often ask why she spent so much time studying a little frog. It doesn't look special, she says, but when you examine it closely, you find it's one of the most remarkable creatures on Earth. 1. The frog starts as an egg. 2. The egg hatches into a tadpole. 5. The frog freezes solid. 6. In warmer weather, the frog thaws out.